Do you enjoy living in Chicago?
Absolutely. Chicago is fantastic. It's incredibly convenient. I can easily hop on the bus to get to work. Plus, there's always something to do here. There are plenty of movie theaters and theaters around.
That sounds great. What else do you like about Chicago?
Well, the food scene here is amazing. There are so many diverse restaurants to try out. And the lakefront is beautiful, especially in the summer.
I've heard the architecture in Chicago is impressive too.
Oh, definitely. The skyscrapers downtown are stunning. The city has such a rich architectural history.
Have you had a chance to explore the museums in Chicago?
Yes, I have. The museums here are world-class. The Art Institute and the Field Museum are must-visits.
It sounds like there's never a dull moment in Chicago.
Exactly. There's always something new to discover. The city has such a vibrant energy.
Do you find the winters here difficult to handle?
Well, they can be pretty cold, but you get used to it. Plus, there are plenty of indoor activities to enjoy during the winter months.
That's good to hear. I'm considering moving to Chicago myself.
You should definitely give it a try. It's a fantastic city with so much to offer.
How's the public transportation system in Chicago?
It's quite reliable overall. The CTA buses and trains can get you almost anywhere you need to go within the city.
That sounds convenient. I hate dealing with traffic.
Oh, you'll love the public transportation here then. It's a lifesaver, especially during rush hour.
Are there many parks in Chicago?
Yes, there are several beautiful parks scattered throughout the city. Millennium Park and Grant Park are particularly popular.
I bet those are lovely places to spend a sunny afternoon.
Absolutely. They're great for picnics, strolls, or just relaxing and enjoying the scenery.
How's the cost of living in Chicago compared to other cities?
It can vary depending on where you live, but overall, it's more affordable than some other major cities like New York or San Francisco.
That's good to know. I've been worried about that aspect.
Don't worry too much. There are plenty of options for housing and living expenses here.
How about the job market in Chicago?
It's quite diverse, with opportunities in various industries. It really depends on your field and experience.
I'll have to look into that more. Thanks for the insight.
No problem. Let me know if you have any other questions about living in Chicago. I'm happy to help.
The first conversation is over and we will dive into the next one.
How about we take a stroll and do some window shopping?
I'm afraid I can't. I'm completely out of money at the moment.
That's okay, we can still enjoy looking at all the displays and getting some inspiration for future purchases.
Yeah, that sounds like fun. It's always nice to see what's new in the stores, even if I can't buy anything right now.
Absolutely. Plus, it's a good way to spend time together without spending money.
Definitely. It's the company that matters, not the spending.
Exactly. And who knows, maybe we'll stumble upon some great deals or discounts.
That would be a bonus for sure. It's always nice to find a bargain.
Absolutely. So, shall we start our window shopping adventure?
Let's do it. I'm excited to see what catches our eye today.
Great. Let's head over to the mall and see what treasures await us.
Sounds like a plan. I'm ready for some leisurely browsing.
Me too. And if we see something we really love, we can always make a note of it for future reference.
That's a good idea. It's like creating a wish list for when our finances are in better shape.
Exactly. And who knows, maybe by the time we're ready to buy, the items will be on sale.
That would be perfect. It's like manifesting good deals into our future.
Positive thinking can go a long way, especially when it comes to shopping.
Absolutely. It's all about staying optimistic and enjoying the experience, regardless of our current financial situation.
Couldn't agree more. So, shall we start with the clothing stores or the home decor shops?
Let's start with the clothing stores. I could use some style inspiration.
Sounds good to me. Maybe we'll find some outfit ideas that we can recreate with items we already own.
That would be awesome. I'm always looking for new ways to mix and match my wardrobe.
Me too. Let's keep an eye out for pieces that can easily transition from season to season.
Agreed. Versatility is key when it comes to building a sustainable wardrobe.
Absolutely. And who knows, maybe we'll discover some new fashion trends along the way.
That would be fun. It's always exciting to see what's popular in the fashion world.
Definitely. So, shall we head inside the first clothing store and see what catches our eye?
Let's do it. I'm ready to dive into the world of fashion and see what treasures we can find.
The second conversation is over, and we will dive into the next one.
We had a blast at the aquarium. I even got to see a real shark up close. It was so close, I felt like I could reach out and touch it.
Wow, that sounds incredible. I've always wanted to see a shark in person. What else did you see there?
There were so many different kinds of fish, it was like a rainbow underwater. I saw clownfish, angelfish, and even a giant octopus.
That sounds fascinating. Did you learn anything interesting about the marine life while you were there?
Yes, I learned that some fish can change their colors to blend in with their surroundings. It's like they have their own camouflage.
That's amazing. Nature is full of surprises. Did you get to see any feeding sessions or special shows?
Yes, we caught a feeding session for the sea turtles. It was mesmerizing to watch them glide gracefully through the water to catch their food.
How cool. Sea turtles are such graceful creatures. Did you take any photos or videos while you were there?
Yes, I took tons of photos and even recorded some videos. I want to remember this experience forever.
I bet those photos and videos will be great memories to look back on. Did you have a favorite exhibit or display at the aquarium?
I really enjoyed the jellyfish exhibit. Their movements were so mesmerizing, like they were dancing in slow motion.
Jellyfish are so ethereal. Did you get to touch any of the creatures in the touch tank?
Yes, I touched a starfish and it felt so strange, yet fascinating. It's amazing to feel the texture of their skin up close.
It must have been quite an experience. Did you spend a lot of time exploring each exhibit?
Yes, we spent hours exploring every corner of the aquarium. There was so much to see and learn about.
It sounds like you had a full day of fun and discovery. Did you buy any souvenirs from the gift shop?
Yes, I bought a cute stuffed shark and a keychain with a miniature seahorse. They're adorable reminders of our day at the aquarium.
Those souvenirs sound adorable. I'm glad you found some mementos to remember your visit. Would you recommend the aquarium to others?
Absolutely. It's a must-visit attraction for anyone interested in marine life. You'll have an unforgettable experience, just like I did.
Thanks for sharing your experience. I'll definitely have to plan a visit to the aquarium soon. It sounds like an incredible place to explore. That's all today's content. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Good luck on your English language learning journey.